Hi everyone, this is Ella. Welcome back to my channel. So I know you might be a renter for a while and thinking about buying your very first home, or you already own a home and thinking about investing in another property in the Bay Area. So during this slowing down market, you might be wondering when is the best time to step forward and take some actions. And today I'm inviting you to my home buyer workshop. During this 1-hour workshop, I will help you a few things. First, to get a big picture about what the market is and what the forecast might be. Second, help you to understand 6 steps of home buying process. And number 3, also is the best part, we will have a professional lender to address all your loan related questions. So there will be 2 workshops happening soon. The first one will be hosted on January 30th, a Thursday evening time at San Jose. And the second one will be hosted on February 8th, a Saturday afternoon time at Fremont. So remember, those 2 events are free, and in order to allocate enough time for all the attendees, we will limit it to a small group of people to participate. So please check out the description box to check out the event details, and feel free to RSVP as early as possible. I believe you will walk out of the workshop with very useful information, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.